So I've got the output over here, but it's doing the output in line. What I would like to do instead is to output it as if what the Go version did, right? So I'm going to do that after this, right? And put that over here. And this should be pretty straightforward. Okay, so now the issue is that the account explorer URL, etc., they have not been set. So this bit, I think, is going to have to be done manually. But we can copy that from here. So let's see where it's set. So account explorer URL is that, and so that's right after set operator. That should do it. The next one is my contract ID. And my contract explorer URL. That should be right after deployment. Wonder if .toString is implied to see if it works. Alright, and with this one, need to make sure that all further references next. This one needs to be replaced. And that should do it. Okay. My contract write transaction ID. Be this one. Replace. Save that. Okay. My contract query result is going to be okay, so now we've got consistent variable names in there. Excellent. So let's just see. Alright, so we've got a contract call that was successful. Contract ID, which is this, 4400673, which matches this one over here. If I take a look at that, you can see the smart contract. Great. So this is almost complete. Just need to do a bit of housekeeping at the end. What would I need to do next? I need to make sure that the comments are consistent. So let's go bottom up this time. So output results, read data from smart contract. Maybe this one. And just to be consistent with the Go one, actually, I'll use the Go one as the basis rather than the JavaScript one in terms of content. So read data from smart contract. So instead of having that, actually that should be deleted. That's the JavaScript one. So I'll just have those 3 lines, right? So it's going to be more or less the same. These 3 lines, like that, and just so that I preserve the indentation. And then I'll have the redaction. Like so. Now I can delete the Go version. Alright, so this is the redacted version for Java. I'm going to have to write my smart contract, write data to the smart contract. I'll copy this. So we just want this one then. Set function, and the redaction is only for the name. And then I'll delete the Go version. Okay. And sorry, I should be going to this one. This is just deploy smart contract. This is upload bytecode to HFS in preparation for deployment to HSCS. This is read EVM bytecode file in preparation for deployment. delete the ABI one. Alright, so configure client is saying this one slightly different. Okay, so that does it. Now I'll just do some cleanup. Remove the commented out system out print line files. Including this one that I forgot to comment out. Alright, so let's just make sure that that still runs. Alright, it all works. Actually, I do not want that.